Hey there and welcome to Japan Online. Well, a couple of weeks ago we went off to the Nagoya Aquarium, and a little incident, an interesting incident happened where an ambulance, I think, had to pay for tolls. It sounds crazy, but anyway, we were driving along, and we're going to go around the bend here onto the Nagoya Expressway, and an ambulance is going to appear on the left-hand side. And just a note, I think emergency vehicles can only go 10 or 20 kilometers over the posted speed limit. So the speed limit here is 60 kilometers, so that means they can only go 10 or 20, so 60 or 70 or 80. And just note the difference between the two vehicles there. And so, yeah, but that's the law. Of course, no one here in Japan abides by the law of the road speed limit, and they're always traveling fast. But what like I said, I think they paid the tolls. This ETC stands for Electronic Toll Collection System. So that means we have a system in our car where we can just go through and it gets automatically charged to our credit card. That's in the right lane. The left lane there is where if usually you can actually go, it's got ETC there as well, but usually it's for cars that don't have it in and they need to get a ticket or they need to pay the toll in cash. And so the ambulance has gone into that lane purely because it needs to do something, as in it needs to pay a fee or it has to give a card or something like that. Can you imagine it? That you've been picked up by this ambulance because you're dying or you got some serious accident and you have to stop to pay tolls. We just went through the toll gate there, and it's not for another 3 or 4 kilometers down the road before the ambulance will catch us up. But I was just mind-blowing that they would have to stop to pay a fee, whether or not they have to give a card saying, hey, charge it to this card, or they actually have to, find the 630 yen that's needed or something like that, to go through, or whatever it is. The point is that they had to slow down and stop for a good 30 seconds, 40 seconds, whatever it is. And while that may be not life and death, but who knows what it could be, I don't know, but I doubt it. But anyway, it just passed us, like I said, at 3 kilometers down. We decided, well, it was close enough, so we moved over and let it pass. But I was just,
Achtung, das Light. Zobaczymy, co oni tam kombinują. Nie, chyba nie. To też będzie luz.